Now let's move back to the steps. First, you need to shut the phone off. Now TCL, even if you have a pattern, you will be able to turn the phone completely off by either remove the battery from the back, put it back, or just press power and volume up just like this, and you should be able easily to shut the phone completely off. Now we need the phone to be power off completely, and what I need from you, you need to press power and volume up again. Once you see TCL, you have to hold on the volume up and release from the power. So let's go ahead and do it together. Power and volume up. TCL appears. I just remove from the power, I'm holding on the volume up. Keep hold till you go to the recovery mode. There we go. So you're gonna have 3 different options. Now you can't use the touch, so what you need to do, navigate through the volume up and down control. So we need to go to wipe data factory reset, and then click on the power key to select. Go ahead and do this. Now you're gonna get confirmation message. This is gonna be a factory reset, and you're gonna lose all the information. So if you're sure you wanna do this, go ahead also select factory data reset and press on the power key. The phone should start doing formatting. It should not take more than a few seconds, and then it will take you back to reboot system. Now go ahead and press power key again. Now you need to give it up to 5 minutes to complete the factory reset, and your phone is going to be back as new from the factory. I wish you guys found this video helpful. If it did, thumbs up, subscribe for more here on Variety Stick. Thank you so much for watching. As always, we will talk to you in the next video.